In India, wealth isn't just about what you have, it's about what you show. But this culture of display is creating a silent economic crisis. The Indian wedding industry is a $130 billion giant. For many families, a 3-day celebration costs more than 18 years of a child's education. It's the fireworks rocket effect, spending a lifetime savings on a high-octane 5-minute display, then paying for the fuel for the next 10 years. Then there's the gold. Indian households sit on 27,000 tons of it. It's the world's largest collection of dead capital. Locked in lockers, this gold doesn't build factories or fund startups. It sits frozen, safe, but stagnant, while the economy starves for productive investment. Modern India has replaced the saving mindset with the aspiration trap. We are buying luxury SUVs on EMIs to impress neighbours who are doing the exact same thing. This is the horizon mirage. You chase a status that recedes every time you reach it, fueled by unsecured personal loans and credit cards. Even our homes are anchors. We pay 9% interest for an asset that yields only 3% in rent, just for the emotional security of owning the soil. The data is alarming. Indian household savings have plummeted to just 5.1% of GDP as debt reaches record highs. Breaking the trap requires a psychological shift from social proof, spending to look rich, to financial freedom, investing to be wealthy. The choice is simple. You can either own the facade of success or you can own your future. Which one will you choose?